Mastering Version Control, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for anyone working with digital projects, especially in programming and documentation: version control. Understanding this concept is crucial, not just for collaboration but also for managing your projects efficiently. Let's explore what use version control means and why it's so important in today's digital world. Version control is a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time so that you can recall specific versions later. It's like having a time machine for your projects, allowing you to track progress, revert to previous states, and understand the history of your work. The most common version control systems include Git, Subversion, and Mercurial. Using version control has several benefits. Backup and restore. Files are backed up regularly. If you lose something or make a mistake, you can recover easily. Collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same project simultaneously without overriding each other's work. History. You can see the entire history of the project, including who made changes, what was changed, and why. Repository, a database of all the changes in your project. Think of it as a projects folder that tracks all changes. Commit. Making a commit is like taking a snapshot of your project's current state. Each commit has a unique ID, branch, a parallel version of the repository. It allows you to work on a new feature without affecting the main project. To start using version control, you need to 1. Choose a version control system. Git is the most popular and widely supported. 2. Install the necessary software on your computer. 3. Create your first repository and start tracking changes. There are many free resources and tutorials online to help you learn the specific commands and workflows for your chosen system. We hope this video helps demystify the concept of using version control and encourages you to integrate it into your digital projects. It's a powerful tool that can save you from many headaches and make collaboration much smoother. Happy coding, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. See you in the next video.